Hey friends, let's jump straight into this awesome song. Let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're starting with this G over A. You have the 5th fret on the E string mute, the A, 5th on the D, 4 on the G, 3 on the B and the E. Hold for a bar there. Then we're going to an F7 sus4. So we're going to have the 1st fret on the E, 3rd fret on the A, D and G, and the 4 on the B. And we're just strumming down to the B string. Hold for 1 bar. Then we're going to an F over G, which is the same as our G over A, just back 2 frets, and we hold for 2 bars. We play that through 3 times, and the 3rd time on the F over G, we just do a build up for 2 bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And that's our intro there. So this is still part of our intro, but this is now our sax solo. We're going to start on a D and do down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. Then we're going to the F over G, the same we did in the intro, but do 2 downs, down, down. Do that again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, to our F over G, down, down. Then just go to C for a bar, down, up, down, up. A7 sus4 for a bar. Now G for a bar and a half here, and we're going to go back to our F over G. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, to our F over G, 2 downs. We repeat that all again, the D again. To our F over G, D again. F over G, C, bar. A7 sus4 for a bar, and to finish off just do the G for 2 bars. And we play that section through 2 times, and that's our sax solo intro. So we're going to start on the A chord and do 2 downs. Then we're going to an A sus4 add 13. So we're going to play the open A string still, 4 on the D, 2 on the G, 3 on the B, and still the open E, and do an up, up, down, up. Then we're going to an A9, so we still have the open A string, 5 on the D, 4 on the G, 5 on the B, and still the open E, down, down, and back to our A sus4 add 13 with an up, up, down, up. And we do that through 2 times. So down, down, up, down, up, to our A9, down, down, and back again. Up, down, up. Do that 2 times, and we're just jumping to an E minor, 1 bar, and our strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. To a G the same, down, down, up, down, up. Then we're going to do the D for a bar and a half, so down, down, up, down, up. Do another down, down, up, mute, and then we're going to a G sus2 over D, so we have the open D string, open G string, 3rd on the B, 5th on the E, and a down, up, down. So from the E minor, down, up, down, up, G, D, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, mute, up, down, up. And we just do that through 2 times for our verse. So for our chorus, we're just doing a D minor 7, 1 bar, down, down, up, down, up. To an A minor, do 2 downs, down, down. To an A sus2, so just lift your first finger off, up. Back to the A minor, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And do that 2 times, back to the D minor. Down, up, A minor, down, down, up, down, up. Then C for a bar, up, down, up, G for a bar. Then finish the D the same we did with the verse with the G sus2 over D. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, mute, up, down, up. So the same as the verse, then we repeat that again, the D minor 7. Up, down, up, to the A minor 2, down, down, up, down, up, and again. A minor, A sus2, A minor. This time go to the C for a bar, the G for a bar, the A for a bar, then to the F for a bar. And that's our chorus C. Then from there we go back to the sax intro again, and we do it through 2 times like we did at the intro. Back to the verse, which is exactly the same, chorus, which is exactly the same, back to the sax intro again, the chord progression through 2 times, then go back to the first intro, which was our G over A, to our F7 sus4, to our F over G there. We do that 3 times, then we just go back to our sax solo with the chord progression, and we just keep repeating that through to the end. We also have our solo over that. So there are all the rhythm parts. Let's have a look at the solo. So we're starting with 17 on the E, but start with it up, and we're going to do a release. It's a tone and a half bend here, and he plays the first one while the sax solo is still playing. And he does 3 more. Then bend 20 on the E, do a quick release. Then we're releasing 15 on the E, do a bend. Then 15, 13, and bend to 15 again, pull off to 13, 15 on the B. Then we're bending 13B, play 10 E, back to 13B, bend, back to E, 10, 13, bend 15, and we just bend, release, bend, release. Then we're picking the 15 and bending it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we're going back to the start again with the 17, tone and a half, release, bend 3 times. Bend the 20 on the E. Now this time we're bending 13 on the B. Play 13, bend 12 on the G. Now play 12, pull off to 10, back to 12 2 times, 10, then go 12 on the D, 10 G, 12 on the D, Then jump quickly to the A, do 10, slide to 12. D, 10, 12. Then we're going back to the 15 on the E, bend and release again. Play 15, release, 13, bend to 15 again, and then 15 again, the bend and release. And then to finish off, we do 15, 13 on the E and pull it off 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, 15 B, back to the E, 13, 15, pull off to 13, back to B, 15, 13, then 15, pull off to 13, G, 14, B, 13, G, 14, 12, do 14, pull off to 12, to 15 on the D, back to G, 12, and D, 12. So that last little run. And there are all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Baker Street Guitar Lesson by Gerry Rafferty. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for hundreds of great songs. Jump onto my YouTube channel and I'll see you soon.